The Cosen MH-270M Bandsaw is manufactured in Taiwan by Cosen, a leader in the bandsawing industry. This machine is widely used in the fabrication, manufacturing, and metalworking industry where precision and reliability are essential. I'm David with Sawblade.com, and today we're here at Burger Iron to talk about one of the most reliable and versatile machines in the industry. I'm talking, of course, about this Cosen MH-270M Bandsaw. This is a horizontal miter cutting bandsaw with a cutting capacity of 8.6 inch round and 8.6 inch by 7.8 inch rectangular, and the ability to miter 0, 45, and 60 degrees in one direction. It's perfect for cutting structural beams and solids with efficiency and accuracy. The Cosen MH-270M we're looking at here is a standard model. The machine has been around for over 30 years, and they have sold a lot of these machines worldwide. It's very reliable and easy to use. The blade size for this machine is 8 foot 1 5/8 inch by 1 inch. And now let's talk about the blade we're running today. At Sawblade.com, we sell a lot of blades for the MH-270M. And right now we're using the Q-Saw Q501 IC structural bimetal bandsaw blades. This is the perfect blade for the structural steel we're cutting because the Q-Saw Q501 blade offers incredible performance thanks to its unique profile that prevents tooth chipping, requires no break-in, and offers reduced noise, long life, and an excellent cost per cut. The great selection of teeth pitch from 3, 4, 4, 6, 5, 7, and 8/11 gives you the range you need for any diameter or thickness you happen to cut. This blade reduces vibration, increases blade life, and saves you time and money. At Sawblade.com, we offer the Q501 at competitive pricing with fast delivery. The Cosen MH-270 has a 5-gallon coolant tank, and keep in mind coolant is just as important as the blade when it comes to cutting efficiency and blade life. Today we're using the C5200 semi-synthetic coolant, which is specially designed for bandsaws cutting carbon steel. The C5200 is a synthetic coolant. Like all cutting fluids used in bandsawing, it's to be mixed at a 10-to-1 ratio with water for optimal performance. The C5200 coolant helps in several key ways. It lubricates the blade, reduces friction and heat. It also keeps cuts clean and smooth, but most importantly, it extends blade life by preventing overheating and premature blade wear. This coolant has great sump life. Anti-foam, antibacterial, as well as rust prohibitors give longer blade life and machine life for your saw. I've seen this over the years. I've been in this business. Using an inferior coolant will result in high blade costs and poor performance. The C5200 ensures efficiency, longer blade life, and cleaner cuts. Like a lot of the higher end machines made, the Cosen MH-270M uses carbide blade guides to keep the blade aligned. The guides are really important. In fact, one of the most common reasons for crooked cuts is worn or damaged blade guides. Blade guides are critical for keeping your blade straight and aligned during operation. People don't like to change them because of the cost. It's true that OEM guides for the manufacturer can be expensive, but at Sawblade.com we offer black iron blade guides. The black iron guides are more durable, perform better, and cost less. Replacing your guides regularly keeps your machine running smoothly and cuts perfectly aligned. This MH-270M machine is loaded with small features that reduce your costs, but you have to pay attention and keep the machine maintained. I'm talking about the importance of the chip brush, like the black iron chip brush. This is the least expensive investment to reduce costs and is often overlooked. Now, the black iron chip brush removes work-hardened chips from the blade teeth. If these chips aren't cleared, they can cause the blade to dull faster and produce poor quality cuts. The brush adjustment is simple. The brush should lightly contact the blade to clean off chips without wearing itself out. It's a small investment that pays off big with longer lasting blades. So to recap, the MH-270M Bandsaw is a versatile miter cutting saw with unmatched performance for fabrication and machine shops. Paired with the products and services from Sawblade.com, we can make this machine even more efficient. I'm David with Sawblade.com. Thanks for watching.